Alright, this video lesson 3 is to help you in your activity worksheets for the moment of force or your homework under section B, question 1, 1B. Alright, so section B, question 1B, section B, and then under question 1B. Alright, this is the diagram. Here is the wall. Here's a wall. Right, and there's this plank attached to the wall, and it's given to you. This end is your pivot. It's indicated here. This is a pivot. So pivot is here. And this plank actually, the length of the plank from the pivot, it's about 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter. All right. And the question is that they want you to find what is the moment of force by its weight, meaning the weight of the plank. Provided they're given you it has a mass of 2 kg, meaning they give you the mass of the plank. We can write it down here. So the mass given of the plank is 2 kg. Okay, and first you need to know where does the weight of the plank. So for the plank, the weight is always acted from the center of the plank. So I'll show you. This is the center of the plank. Okay, now the total length of the plank is 1 meter. Therefore, if the weight is acting from the center of the plank, alright, the weight is acting from the center of the plank, meaning the perpendicular distance from the pivot to the center of the plank is half of 1 meter, which is 0.5 meter. Okay, right. Why do you need to know this perpendicular distance? Because it is important for you to find out the moment of force of the plank. So again, we go back to the formula for moment. Moment is given by the force, right, time the perpendicular distance. Right, now the force here actually is the same as I mentioned in the class. The force here actually is the same as the weight. Now the question is here, what is how to find weight? Weight is equal to what formula? Okay, remember in the class I did mention, actually in order to find weight, you need to know the mass of an object, then you multiply by the gravity force, G. So in short, the formula is mg. Now the value of G is always 10. So therefore with that we can actually figure out the force in this case. So you take the mass, alright, which is given 2 kg, and then you time the gravity force. For your syllabus, the gravity force is always 10. Now from there you can actually figure out the answer. Okay, let's try. And again, if you have any problem, we can discuss this in the classroom next Tuesday.